In this video, I'll help you find an exercise bike for seniors. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. First, we have the JEEKEE recumbent exercise bike priced at $259.99. Designed with seniors in mind, offers low cost and efficient workouts. Its adjustable frame accommodates users from 4 feet and 9 inches to 6 feet and 5 inches with a maximum load of 300 pounds. The bike features an ergonomic seat and backrest, ensuring comfort during long exercises. Equipped with an LCD monitor, it tracks important fitness data, and the iPad holder adds entertainment to your workout. The bike's compact design with built-in handles and wheels makes it easy to move and store. With a lifetime warranty, JEEKEE shows commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. User reviews highlight its quiet operation, easy adjustability, and sturdiness, making it a solid choice for seniors. Next, the KURONO stationary exercise bike for $159.81 is a versatile and affordable option for seniors. It offers 16 levels of magnetic resistance and multiple seat adjustments for various body types. The bike folds for easy storage and has a digital LCD monitor for tracking workout metrics. It's praised for its sturdiness and ease of assembly, although some users note that seat can be uncomfortable for longer workouts. The bike's compact design and resistant bands provide a full-body workout suitable for users with knee problems or limited space. Next, we have the MOMODA under-desk bike pedal exerciser priced at $31.99. This mini exercise bike designed for leg and arm workouts is ideal for seniors looking to improve circulation and muscle strength. Its compact and foldable design fits easily under a desk, making it perfect for home or office use. The bike features an adjustable resistance and a smooth, quiet pedal motion. While it's praised for its sturdiness and ease of use, some users report issues with the display and stability on carpeted surfaces. It's a cost-effective solution for seniors seeking light exercise. Next, we got the Poboo folding exercise bike priced at $199.99. It is a 4-in-1 exercise solution that caters to different workout needs. With 8-level adjustable magnetic resistance and an oversized seat cushion, it offers comfort and versatility. The bike's foldable design and wheels make it easy to move and store, ideal for small spaces. Its multifunctional LCD display tracks important workout metrics. While the bike supports up to 300 pounds and accommodates users up to 6 feet and 3 inches tall, some users have noted issues with noise and the bike's frame height. Overall, it's a great value for seniors seeking a quiet, space-efficient exercise bike. Lastly, we got the pedal exerciser bike priced at $85.99. This is an excellent choice for seniors looking for a full body workout. It features adjustable design and resistance, making it suitable for users of different sizes and fitness levels. The LCD digital display helps track exercise metrics, and its stable anti-slip design ensures safety during workouts. While it's a valuable tool for rehabilitation and improving joint flexibility, some users have noted difficulties with assembly and product durability. So, for seniors seeking exercise bikes, the market offers a range of options. The JEEKEE recumbent exercise bike and KURONO stationary exercise bike stand out for their comfort, adjustability, and quiet operation. For those with space constraints, the underdesk bike pedal exerciser and Poboo folding exercise bike are excellent choices. Finally, the pedal exercise bike is ideal for full body workouts and rehabilitation needs. Each bike has its own strengths, catering to different preferences and requirements, ensuring there's a suitable option for every senior looking to maintain their fitness and health. And there you have it, my list of the best exercise bikes for seniors. Don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Thank you for watching. Till next time.